Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online business with Amazon FBA step by step clearly. Research your niche thoroughly. Identify products that are in demand. Consider your interests and expertise. Analyze potential competition in the niche. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for insights. Set a budget for your initial investment. Choose a product that has good profit margins. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen product. Utilize platforms like Alibaba or local manufacturers. Request samples to assess quality. Establish a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Register your business name and choose a legal structure. Create an Amazon seller account. Choose between an individual or professional plan. Set up your account with necessary tax and bank information. List your product on Amazon. Write a compelling product title and description. Use high-quality images to showcase your product. Optimize your listing for search using relevant keywords. Determine your pricing strategy. Analyze your competitors' pricing to stay competitive. Consider using Fulfilled by Amazon for storage and shipping. Set your inventory levels based on sales projections. Launch your product on Amazon. Plan a marketing strategy to promote your product. Utilize Amazon PPC to drive traffic to your listing. Encourage customer reviews early on. Monitor your sales performance regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.